Kumana na kuongerereka kwa icagi nini gukuhina matauni manene, thirikari rungu rwa ministry ya waki niranire kwambiriria ikereka ria KEERI ria waki wa nyumba cia kiriu kuria kugumire makiria. Akiaria gicigo-ini kia Naivasha, mwandiki ruhonge-ini rwa waki wa nyumba Saida Athman, ikereka ria mbere ni riekururirie muno na uguo arehoka rungu rwa mubango wa thirikari wa waki wa nyumba cia raithi, mutaratara uyu ni ukuhanyukio.
We are providing people who are living in informal settlements with decent housing that is subsidized by government. It's already happening in some urban centers in Nairobi, and also by having affordable housing program for the other cadres, those who are able to afford at much more reduced rates.
Saida ugite ni kiha kuona ona arutwo macukuru ma ngathi cia iguru maikaraga nyumba itari cia ikiro njagiriru, riu akiuga tabarira ino ni kuhe mweke amwe a yuthi hari kuheana kothi tiganite cigimaine na waki.
We have actually the problem for our university students, majority of whom are living in the slum areas. We have a majority of people who leave universities, the graduates, they cannot afford.
One of the challenges that comes with that is increase in population, and that increase in population means that we must provide services for this for our citizens who move to these urban areas. Challenge is issue of housing. So when they don't get enough affordable house, then they collapse into the slums because they come to the urban areas to get employment and to start businesses.
Tabarira ino ikwambiriria ihinda-ini ria mweri umwe wari thutha wa kuhitukio ni ministry ya waki rungu rwa kigina kia World Bank kuria kaunti 33 ikugunika.
We have 33 counties that showed interest to work with KISIP and qualified. But the strategy itself, because this is a national issue, informal settlement, we are opening up for all the counties. All the 47 counties are going to gain from this strategy.
Waki wa nyumba cia raithi ni kimwe gia gituge kiria thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ikireire mwihoko ri gwaka nyumba ici hari o gicigo kia ubunge itemini ria kunyihia muhatikano na uthukangia wa migunda ya urimi. Ribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.